Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be back working on the S15 in preparation for it to go up and actually have some finish on the bench shell. So, got a few bits. We have these Radium Engineering fuel and brake pipe retainers. So little clamps go under the car because I'm going to be running braided fuel lines on this, so they'll be perfect. They go from, I think it's 8 to size 10 AN lines. I showed you my fire suppression, so we're going to be drilling and mounting that. I've also got this for my battery, so we're going to find a suitable location for this, mount that. So as I mentioned before, I need to drill all the holes in this before it has its final finish, because obviously you don't want to be drilling into fresh paint. So let's get to it. Okay guys, I think that's where I'm going to put my fire suppression. So it's nice and tight in the corner there, out of the way. There's plenty of room to come off it then for piping, and the battery then can be tucked behind there. So it's got plenty of room and they don't interfere. Ideally I'd like them both the same side, but because the tray is relatively big, as you can see that's curved, it's not going to go there. So I've marked everything up now ready to drill, so I'm going to use that factory spot weld point. So I'm going to drill straight through, drill that other point there, and then that'll be for mounting that, and so on. So let's get to drilling these out. Okay. Alright, that's the last one. So I don't know if you can see, there's the 4. Just done that with a 3mm pilot bit, and I'll go back through these now with a bigger drill bit, and then we can mount these up. Okay, and that's the holes done now for the rivnuts for them. So M5 just drops straight in, perfect. I'm not going to install these because when it goes for when this gets its colour that it's having, there's a high chance that they'll fill all the threads, so it's easier to leave them out, and then when it comes back, just pop them in then. So guys, what we got here in the centre there, I'm going to be drilling one of the nozzles for my plumbed-in suppression kit. So for these, I haven't got a drill bit that size, but I've got these stepper drill bits. So just go 1 notch and then keep trying it and see until it fits snug, and then that'll be us. So I'm going to start it off with a smaller one, and then work up to the bigger one. She is. Perfect. Obviously needs a nut on the other side. That's perfect. So what I need to do now is same as I'm using for the hydraulic handbrake hose. I need some little P clips running here down to the extinguisher location, and then the same running up to the front. Okay, just got the rear routing done. Obviously it's just everything's loose now, but they're all drilled. So nozzle 90 degree across the back there, down, straight down. Obviously that'll be held back into the bottom there. So it'll be nice and neat, tucked out the way. Well, that's done. So I just need to work out now where I want to come out of the, if you can see, there. So we're coming out across, and then I think I'm going to test fit the seat in, passenger seat, maybe across there, just along the side there, up to on top of the tunnel, and then it can go into its T-piece and go into that gold fit in there, and then also into the blue fitting facing in the driving compartment. So we've sorted out the front routing now. As I said earlier, it's going to come out of here, pull a 90, pick up one of these OEM bolt holes, and then run across here. You can see I've popped the riv nuts in, so that'll follow straight across there, take a 90 up, into a T, and then into the gold nozzle for the bay. So I believe I think that's it, drilling in here. I don't think, the only thing I need to mount is electronics like ECU and things like that, and like a pull cable to activate this. So that'll be mounted probably on the center there. But I'll have to have a look at that and the routing of where I actually want the pull cord to be, whether I want it on the dash or what. But I need to start thinking about electrics as well, mainly for mounting them. But for now, we have these things from Chase Bays. So this, if it comes out, is Chase Bays screen wash bottle, various brackets. I wasn't sure what ones to get, so I got two. Worst off, we can make brackets, and this thing is Chase Bays coolant expansion tank. So I've seen a lot of people run these. Is in that corner, but it's a bit of a long boy, so I don't think it'll, where it mounts, I don't know if it can go there. Plus we've got an intercooler pipes to be brought to there. Obviously that's going to be drilled. So I'm going to set the camera up now and we'll have a look where we can put these. Gone with this style bracket, which seems pretty obvious for these. I just wonder what it's safe to say I don't think that's going to go in there. So that's not going to fit in there. I think over here it's going to be too in the way of the rad and bits like that, so I might have to rethink the brackets on this. I don't know how much room I've actually got with a bonnet and things like that, so we're going to have to worry about that a little bit later. And as for the screen wash reservoir, I'm thinking of running this inside, like in the cabin. I'm not sure, obviously it'll be very annoying to fill, but I think with this bracket, because it's quite stubby, there's a chance that it'll, even that is quite big because of that on the side. So we're going to have to rethink that as well. So what I have also got, I'm not sure if I mentioned earlier, these radium fuel retainer clips. So they need to be riveted onto the chassis rail running under the car, but it's getting on in the day, so I'm going to leave that for a future video. What I have got though, which I haven't been showing you, is Vertex Edge bonnet, and this landed from Japan last week. I'll attempt to chuck it on to show you. There she is. Obviously got to excuse the bubble wrap. Obviously the look I go over this car, I've got a Vertex Ridge wide body, but I'm going for the Edge bonnet. So I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but to me it looks, it's like OEM plus, but it's also very aggressive, which is a really nice look, and that's kind of what I'm going for. So it's like the kit that I've gone for isn't, even though it's wide body, it's not massively over the top, but it's still just that bit more aggressive than stock. So, well, thanks for watching this video, guys. So it's a bit of a slow process mocking up the car. I'm glad with what I managed to get done today. Like I said, next time we'll take all the planks, so guys, slowly coming together. So I'm happy with the progress today. Didn't manage to figure out where to put the coolant expansion vessel and the screen wash bottle, but I'm not too worried about those. I am happy with the progress so far, and fingers crossed the next time I'm up here now it shouldn't be far away. So there she is, guys. So didn't quite get the two little bottles fitted, but I'm sure we'll figure out where they need to go. And I think I need the rad and bits like that just to really know how much space that I've got. I don't want to mount them now and they're in the way for something later down the line. But yeah, so we've got pretty much all the plumbing figured out inside, routing wise, and it's all pre-drilled, riveted. It's just wiring really left to do inside. Not so much to do, but locate, work out where I want to route them. I could use where I've riveted the side of the tunnel for the wiring, and then zip tie the fire suppression to that, because it's like just a rigid pipe which you can form with your hands, so it doesn't really got to be riveted on really. And yeah, so next time, guys, we'll be doing more work to this shortly, and that's that, guys. Well, as always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, I'll catch you on the next one.